Good day, aviation aficionados and curious minds alike. It's time to step into the world of aerospace once again. Today we're delving into the recent happenings at Boeing, a name that resonates with innovation and resilience. November of 2024, a month that Boeing would remember for its trials and tribulations. The company found itself in the throes of a significant industrial action involving 33,000 workers. This was a storm that hit hard, disturbing the rhythm of production and delivery. The result was a drastic dip in commercial aircraft deliveries, with only 13 making their way out of the Boeing hangars. A stark contrast from the previous year indeed. The storm eventually subsided on the 5th of November, following a revised pay deal. But not everything could return to the way it was. The aftermath saw hundreds of employees receiving their walking papers and a pause in production across various aircraft lines. Yet, like the proverbial phoenix, Boeing rose from the ashes. In December, production resumed on one of its most controversial yet ambitious lines, the 737 MAX, a name that has been making headlines for reasons both good and bad. This time the focus was on quality and safety, a promise that Boeing aims to keep. During this tumultuous period, Boeing also managed to secure 49 gross orders, which included 34 737 MAX jets. However, the silver lining was not without its cloud, as 14 cancellations also found their way into the mix. Despite the roller coaster of events, Boeing's stock value climbed the ladder, a testament to the strength of the brand and the faith of its stakeholders. The resumption of MAX production marked a new chapter in Boeing's journey, a chapter that everyone is keenly watching. In summary, November 2024 was a challenging month for Boeing, marked by industrial action and a dip in deliveries. The Boeing 737 MAX has been embroiled in several controversies, primarily surrounding its safety and certification. Here are some key issues. MKS system flaw. A major controversy revolves around the Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation System, MCAS, designed to prevent stalls. However, the system relied on a single angle of attack sensor, which could fail and cause the plane to crash. Lion Air and Ethiopian Airlines crashes. In 2018 and 2019, 2 fatal crashes occurred, killing 346 people. Investigations revealed that MCAS played a significant role in both accidents. Insufficient pilot training. Critics argue that Boeing and regulatory agencies failed to provide adequate training for pilots on the MCAS system, exacerbating the risks. Certification issues. The 737 MAX's certification process has been questioned, with allegations that Boeing exerted undue influence over regulators and that safety concerns were overlooked. Groundings and recertification. The 737 MAX was grounded worldwide from March 2019 to November 2020. The FAA ultimately recertified the aircraft, but not before imposing new safety measures and training requirements. Ongoing concerns and lawsuits. Despite recertification, concerns about the 737 MAX's safety persist. Boeing faces numerous lawsuits from families of crash victims and investors. However, December 2024 saw the company bounce back with the resumption of the 737 MAX production, garnering attention and boosting its stock value.